In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate the 50-day exponential moving average, or EMA, using Google Sheets or Excel. Calculating the EMA can be a powerful tool for anyone analyzing stock trends, providing a more up-to-date reflection of price changes than simple moving averages. So let's get started by opening up a clean Google Sheet. To begin, you'll want to navigate over to Google Sheets and open up a new document. Once you've got your blank spreadsheet ready, the first thing you need to do is click on cell A1. This will be the starting point for gathering our historical stock data. In cell A1, type in the following formula: equal Google Finance K1, price, today, 365, today, Sauki. This formula uses the built-in Google Finance function to fetch historical stock prices from the past year. It's important to replace K1 with the cell where you have your stock ticker symbol. Don't worry if nothing seems to happen immediately. When you hit the Enter key, it will populate the sheet with daily stock prices from the past year. Next, we move on to address the calculation of the 50-day EMA. In cell B51, type in the formula ACE average, B2, B50. This formula calculates the average of the first 50 days of data to give us a starting point for our EMA calculation. As you press Enter, this will compute the simple average of those first 50 days, which is crucial to our process because the 50-day EMA requires an initial average to begin with. The next steps would typically involve using more formulas to calculate the actual EMA by taking into account the smoothing factor. However, in this video, we'll start by understanding the data we're working with and ensuring that our first step, the 50-day simple moving average, is correctly established. Remember, the EMA differs from a simple moving average by placing a greater weight on the most recent data points. This gives the EMA more relevance and effectiveness for short-term analysis, which is particularly useful in volatile markets. By mastering these initial steps, you set a strong foundation for embracing more advanced formulas and finance functions available in Google Sheets and Excel. That's all for today's tutorial. Hopefully, you found this guide straightforward and helpful for your own stock analyses. Keep exploring different formulas and functions, and you'll become a pro at managing data in Google Sheets or Excel in no time. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one.